Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about finding the value of an expression. Okay, so here they will give the value of any one variable. We have to substitute it in the variable and we have to find that expression. So here directly using the example number 7, find the value of following expression for x equal to 2. So just what you have to do, you have to put the x value as 2 in the given expressions. Here the given expression x plus 4, 4x minus 3, 19 minus 5x square, and another one expression that is 100 minus 10x cube. So what is our work? Now we have to substitute the x value in given expression. See here, first solution, x plus 4 is there. Okay, in place of x put the 2. So it will be 2 plus 4 gives us 6. So like that. Similarly, in second, 4x minus 3 we get here. See here, 4x means what? 4 into x. In place of x put the 2, that will be 4 into 2. Minus is there, minus, and 3. So 4 2 is the first you make the multiplication. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 it will be 5. So in third one, 19 minus 5x square. So here x square we have to use 2 square. So that will be ours 4. So first make the square, next multiply it 5. So it will be 5 into 4 20. So here 19 is there, 19 minus 20. So in reverse order we will get here minus 1. Similarly at the place of x cube, okay, put the 2 cube. So it will be 8. 8 into 10, 80. So 100 minus 80 we will get here 20. Okay, same thing you can go with example number 8. Here you have to substitute the n value as minus 2 and do the other calculations. Another type was here. Here we will get two type of variables a and b, and they given the value of a and b value, and we have to substitute and make the calculations. So instead of doing this, we will directly go to the exercise now. So here in first question of the exercise, m equal to 2, find the value of. Okay, so in place of m we have to substitute the 2. Okay, in first expression, see here m minus 2 is there. So m use it as 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2, our answer will be 0. So do the second one, 3m is there, means 3 into 2, okay, minus 5. First do the multiplication, 3 2s are 6 minus 5. So our answer will be 1. So third one for your practice. Fourth one, here 3 m square is there. Okay, so it will be 2 square minus 2m means 2 into 2 minus 7. Okay, first 2 square will be 4. So it will be 3 4s minus 2 2s 4 minus 7. 3 4s it will be 12 minus 4 minus 7. See, always use the BODMAS, means bracket of division, multiplication, afterwards addition, and lastly subtraction. So now we did here multiplication, 3 4s 12, 12 minus 4 minus 7. So 12 minus 4 it will be 8, 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 it will be 1. So our answer is 1. Let's do the division also here. They given 5 m means 5 into 2 divided by 2 minus 4. So first you do the division, 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled. What left? 5 left, means here 1 is there. 5 ones are 5. So minus 4. 5 minus 4 it will be 1. So our answer is 1. Next, in second main, they given p value as -2. Find the value of. So here 4p is there, means 4 into -2 plus 7. So 4 2s are 8. 8 into minus, so it will be -8 plus 7. So here opposite sign are there. So whenever there is opposite sign, we have to do the subtraction and next put the bigger sign. So 8 minus 7, it will be 1, and bigger sign is, means greater sign will be -1. So our answer is -1. So second one as practice. Third one, -2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So put the value of p. -2 minus 2 whole cube minus 3, in place of p again we have to put the -2 square plus 4 into -2 plus 7. So instead of putting here multiplication symbol, so I am putting bracket, so because the number in negative. Now -2 cube, how much you will get? We will get here -8. If you multiply it 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, and minus into minus, minus into minus, so it will be, how we got this -2 cube as -8? So I'll do here rough work. -2 into -2 into -2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, again minus. So we got here -8. So -2 cube is -8. Again -3, -2 square means 2 times, 2 into 2, it will be 4, minus into minus, plus. So we have to multiply with plus 4. Again plus into minus, minus, 4 2s are 8 plus 7. Now minus into minus, plus, 2 8s are 16, minus into plus, minus, 3 4s are 12, minus 8 plus 7. First you can go with addition of the positive numbers. So plus 16 plus 7, minus 12 minus 8. So plus 16 plus 7, we will get here 23. Similarly minus 12 minus 8, we will get here minus 20. So 23 minus 20, it will be 3. So our answer will be 3. Now third one, we have to use the x value as -1. So first one, 2x minus 7. So 2 into means -1 here, minus 7. So 2 ones are 2, here minus is there, put the minus, minus 7. Okay, minus minus, same sign are there. What we have to do? We have to add them. 2 plus 7, it will be 9, and the sign will be minus. Minus 9 is our answer. So third one directly, second one for your practice, second and fourth one your practice. So x square is there. So put here -1 whole square plus 2 into -1 plus 1. So -1 whole square, it will be +1, because 1 into 1 1, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, -2 plus 1. So here +1 is there. Okay, so now 1 plus 1, it will be 2, and minus 2. So our answer will be 2 in minus 2, it will be 0. Now fourth one, they given a value 2, b value -2. So let's find the first one, a square plus b square. So a square means here 2 square plus b square, that is -2 square. So 2 square will be 4 plus -2 square also will be 4. How? 2 2s are 4, minus into minus it will be plus. So 4 plus 4 it will be 8. So our answer is 8. Let's do the second one also. A square plus AB plus B square. A square means here 2 square plus A is 2 into, so I'll write it in bracket, minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. So again 2 2s are 4 plus into minus. See here in front of 2 it is plus, here minus. Plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4 plus minus into minus plus, because here 2 times we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 it will be 0. What remaining? Remaining will be 4. So our answer is 4. Now fifth main, they given A value as 0, B value as minus 1. Put now and find the answers. 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1, because B is minus 1. 2 into 0, it is always 0. Plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. So 0 minus 2 it will be minus 2. Okay. Second one, 2a square. So 2a square here, 0 square. Okay. Plus b square is minus 1 square plus 1. See, 0 square will be 0. 0 into 2, it is also 0. Minus 1 square, minus 1 into minus 1, it will be plus 1. Again, finally, here also plus 1 is there. Plus 1 plus 1 will get here plus 2, or else you can write it as only 2. And along with that, they given third one. See, if you do the third one, it is very easy. By seeing only you can say the answer. It will be 0. Why? Because see here, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So in all three terms, a is multiplying. So next, a value is 0. So if you put the 0 in all the terms, so all terms will becomes 0. So it will be like this: 0 square minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 whole square plus 0 into minus 1. Okay, so 0 square will be 0, 0 into 2 0, again 0 into 1 0, plus 2 into 0 0, 0 into 1 again 0, and 0 into minus 1, that is also 0. If you add all zeros, again you will get only 0. So this is your final answer. In sixth problem, we have to find the value of expression when x is equal to 2. So put the x value in the first one. X plus 7 plus 4 of x minus 5 is there. So x is 2 here, plus 7 plus 4 into x, x is 2 minus 5. Okay, first do the addition here, because they are independent. 2 plus 7 it will be 9, plus 4 bracket means multiplication, 2 minus 5 it will be minus 3. So 9 plus 4 into minus 3, it will be plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12. So 9 minus 12, it will be minus 3. Now second one, 3 into x, x is 2 plus 2 plus 5 into 2 minus 7. So first open the bracket, means whatever there in bracket, you solve this. 2 plus 2 4, so bracket means it 2, so into 4, plus 5 2s are 10 minus 7, 3 4s are 12 plus 10 minus 7. So 12 plus 10 it will be 22 minus 7. So 22 minus 7, here we will get 15. Before solving the seventh one, sixth one again I will repeat. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. Okay, so what I did directly. Okay, So you can first simplify the equation, afterwards you can substitute the x value. Let's do same thing in 7th one also. Simplify these expression and find their values if x equal to 3, a equal to -1 and b equal to -2. So let's substitute the values. First we have to simplify it. See here in the first question, 3x minus 5, x minus x plus 9 is there. First you write the like terms one side, 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. So 3x minus x, it will be 2x, and minus 5 plus 9, it will be plus 4. How? Opposite sign are there, make the subtraction. So 9 minus 5, so greater sign will be plus, that is plus 4. So now we got here 2x plus 4. What is x value? X value is 3. So substitute here x value, 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 4. We will get here 6 plus 4. Our answer will be 10. So same thing do in the third one, second one for your practice. 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1. 3a minus 8a, it will be 5a. Which 5a? Minus 5a. Because 3 minus 8, it will be minus 5 and a is there, and plus 5 plus 1, 6. So substitute the values of a. What is a value here? Minus 1 plus 6. So here we will get minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6, our answer will be 11. And let's do the fifth one directly. Fourth one is for your practice. 2a plus a. First you write them. 2a plus a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. Okay, 2a plus a, it will be 3a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5, it will be minus 9. 3a means 3 into minus 1, because a value is minus 1, minus 2 into b value is minus 2, minus 9. 3 ones are 3, so here minus is there, put the minus 3. Minus into minus plus, 2 twos are 4. Again finally at minus 9 here. So minus 3 minus 9, it will be minus 12 plus 4. Okay, minus 12 plus 4. See, opposite sign are there. 12 minus 4, 8. So greater sign will be minus. So our answer will be minus 8. So this is our final answer. Now 8th one. So out of 2, I will do first one. So here they given z value as 10. Find the value of z cube minus 3 of z minus 10. So put the value of z as 10 in place of z and do the simplifications. Now here z cube is there, it means 10 cube minus 3 into z minus 10 means 10 minus 10. So 10 cube will be how much? It is 1000 minus 3 into 10 minus 10, it will be 0. So 1000 minus 3 into 0, 0. So 1000 minus 0, again we will get here 1000 only, because 0 has nothing value in it. Okay, so if you subtract 0 from any number, again you will get that same number. So our answer will be 1000. Ninth problem. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x equal to 0? So here we have to use x value as 0 and we have to find the value of a. So let's write here x equal to 0. Let's take the equation 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5. Substitute the x value, 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a equal to 5. So 0 square will be 0, 0 into 2, 0 plus 0 minus a equal to 5. So simple thing here, 0 having no values, so what left? Minus a left, that is minus a equal to 5, where a equal to minus 5. So this is our final answer, a equal to minus 5. How this minus 5 came? So just you multiply on both sides with the minus. So here it is minus into minus plus, and here already plus is there, plus into minus, again we will get here minus. A value is minus 5. So this is our final answer. So 10th one, they given a value as 5, b value as minus 3. You have to simplify the equation and find the value of that one. So first you multiply this, 2 into a square, 2a square plus 2 into ab, 2 into ab, because so this 2 will multiply these two numbers, 2 into a square, 2a square plus 2 into ab, it will be 2ab plus 3 minus ab. See here, plus 2ab minus ab. So here we will get 2a square, 2ab minus ab will get remaining here only ab plus 3. Okay, so now put the value of a value. How much? 5 is there. So a square is gives us 5 square plus ab. So that is 5 into minus 3 plus 3. Okay, first you open the brackets, 5 square it will be 25, 2 into 25, and here plus 5 into minus 3 it will be plus into minus, minus 5 3 is a 15 plus 3. Okay, first do the multiplication, 2 into 25 we will get here 50 minus 15 plus 3. Okay, first do the addition, 50 plus 3 it will be 53 minus 15. Okay, so 53 minus 15, here we will get 38. So this is our final answer. The next means the last concept about using algebraic expressions, formulas and rules. So this portion is reduced for your academic year. Only up to third exercise is there for your academic exams. Okay, just you practice up to your 12.3.